Very pleasant good evening to all. Today, I would like to share with regard to ham radio training program, which was conducted by Academy of Ham Radio Vijayawada. The online training, which was conducted, proved very successful. All the candidates last month on 20th appeared examination, and almost all 100% people are expressing their confidence to crack the general grade examination. It was their dream to get a general grade examination. They reached Vijayawada from far off places like the Gujarat, Jamnagar, Cochin, Coimbatore, Chennai, Hyderabad, like this, many other places. But most of the people are from Tamil Nadu. So all the people's aim is common, that is crack the general grade. They expressed their full confidence and expressed their happiness on the training conducted by Academy of Ham Radio. After appearing the examination itself, the day itself, they expressed their full confidence. I am also having 100% confidence. All those candidates, those appeared trained by Academy of Ham Radio, are going to qualify general grade examination. Now, model paper number one. Model paper one. Uh, Section A, radio theory and practice. Already, I have shared enough videos with regard to communication procedure. I think I need not share any video with regard to communication procedure, but after that, there were numerous requests from many people to share electronics also. So I am going to share some important questions. The electronics part of examination, and section A electronics, section B communication procedure. Already section B have covered, and now this time our focus is on electronics. Now, the transformer works on the principle of mutual inductance. So the answer is mutual inductance. Second one, the frequency of oscillation of a series RLC resonant circuit is F is equal to 1 by 2 pi root LC, where L is the inductance in henries, C is in capacitance in farads. So next, third question is, the capacitor is a passive device. Next question, the frequency of a sinusoidal signal Vt is equal to 10 sine 100t. So the formula for this, Vt is equal to 10 sine omega t. Here, the actual formula is like this. Here, so omega is equal to 100. Omega is equal to 100. So omega is equal to actually 2 pi f is equal to 100. So f is equal to 100 by 2 pi. So answer 2 pi cycles. So answer is 100 by 2 pi cycles per second. The frequency, that is f is equal to. Answer is. The resistance value of an insulator is very high. The conductance is proportional to inverse of resistance. The power can be expressed as P is equal to V into I. That is voltage multiplied by current. Correct. P is equal to I square R. This is also correct. So both this B and C are correct. So answer is option is delta. The law behind electromagnetism is Faraday's law. As per Kirchhoff's voltage law, in a closed circuit, the sum of all the voltage drops is equal to applied voltage. Charlie is the correct option. The impedance of a resonant circuit is equal to resistance. The impedance at resonance is XL is equal to SC. XL is inductive reactance, XC is the capacitive reactance. Both these opposite to flow of current, but both these are opposite to each other. And at resonance, both are equal and get cancelled. So there is no opposition to current flow. There is no reactance. Either capacitor reactance or inductive reactance, both are neutralized. Both are working opposite together. So the only opposition is for the current flow is resistance. So answer is equal to resistance. The bridge rectifier is a full wave type because it works with 4 diodes. It is for full wave type. A diode can be used as a rectifier. It is correct. So alternative current can be converted into rectifier by a diode detector, and it also works as a detector demodulation, separating audio waves from the radio waves. So that it can be worked for that purpose also, and also it works as a switch also. When it is forward biased, it conducts, and when it is negative biased, reverse biased, it will not conduct. So it will works like a switch. So all these 3 options are correct. All the above is correct. An oscillator is based on positive feedback. Alpha is correct. Output signal of a CE amplifier will be 180 degrees out of phase. If you give positive cycle, it will emerge as negative cycle. If you give negative as input signal, positive cycle will emerge as output signal. In the process of modulation in communication system, signal frequency is less than carrier frequency. In fact, carrier frequency is much more bigger than signal frequency. Signal frequency will be very, very small when compared with the carrier frequency. So Bravo is the correct option. The typical value of IF in a super heterodyne receiver is 455 kilohertz. Bravo is the correct option. The output signal of a detector in a communication receiver is in audio frequency range. So after that, it will be fed into the audio amplifier. That is the final stage. In a radio receiver, the sensitivity will be governed by RF amplifier. Radio frequency amplifier alpha is correct. The noise in a radio receiver can be expressed as signal by noise ratio. Alpha is the correct one. The following type of oscillator will be more stable. Crystal oscillator is more stable when compared with all other oscillators. The length of a dipole for a signal frequency of 300 megahertz is the length of a dipole for a signal frequency of 300 megahertz. To find out the length of the dipole, a constant 300 divided by frequency in megahertz 300, so that you will get the dipole antenna length in meters. 300 by 300, that is 1 meter. Answer is 1 meter. The frequency 7100 kilohertz can be transmitted by ionospheric propagation. Since 7100 is HF frequency, the most suitable antenna for receiving VHF range is Yagi antenna. Correct option is Charlie. The skip distance is the distance between transmitter and the receiver. Alpha is the correct option. And if in A1A transmission, the amplitude of the carrier is modulated. A means amplitude. So easy to remember this one. Amplitude of the carrier is modulated. So all the 25 questions are completed. Those who writes all the 25 questions, they will get easily in a restricted grade examination, 25 into 2, 50 marks. 25 into 2, 50 marks. So 40%, that is out of 50, 40% will be 20 marks. 20 marks is the pass percent. To get the 20 marks, one has to be able to write 10 bits correct. So 10 into 2, 20. So that is very, very easy. For general grade examination, total questions will be given 50. So one has to write at least 20 bits correct. So it is very, very easy. And apart from this electronics, one has to practice Morse code also. If you want, if you are very, very serious about general grade examination, you can consult Academy of Ham Radio through our phone number. Thanking you very much. I would like to see you all in next model paper. 73 is by far now.